to another video. So as you can see, small vlogging camera, you all, because I plan to take y'all with me today. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but I plan on taking y'all with me. Do some new products today. My whole face is LYS. If y'all didn't know, LYS came out with a new foundation stick, and of course I had to get it. I did get the shade DN5, and I used the LYS foundation, the LYS mascara, but I did put lashes on top. I used the bronzer by LYS, concealer by LYS. And then on my face, I am wearing the Huda Beauty palette because it was on sale today, y'all. And of course, I had to get it. Like, what? It was on sale. It is Labor Day weekend. I'm off for 2 days. I have to work Labor Day. So that's why I was like, we're going to make the best of today. I plan to pull myself together to do something. So the fragrance of the day will be the Gucci Floral, you all. Gucci right here. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, but I have a small travel. So I'm going to use that, but that's what I'm wearing. But I'm using the little samples because I don't want to waste product. So that on, and I'm going to pair it with my vanilla scent that's outside because this do have notes of vanilla. I leave. I wanted to show you something really quick that I got. Let me show you. Matter of fact, we're going to go walk and get it while you sit right there and wait. And this hair replica was on sale for $98. And Miss Tamika not paying $98 for this. But I will pay sale price, which was $47 before our discounts. So you see what I'm saying? So I like the fact that you get these here white sticks. And y'all, the packaging is super cute. Like, look how cute, y'all. I plan to maybe put this in my bathroom. So I did get the scent Lazy Sunday Morning. So yeah, y'all, I wanted to show y'all that so I can start using it. Because I like to show y'all stuff before I actually use it. Show you my OOTD. So let's go in my living room by the mirror so y'all can see what I have on. Something cute and comfortable. See my outfit. Yeah, I don't have no lighting in here, but hopefully you can see my outfit. But yeah, I just have on my golden gooses, y'all, because I need my feet done. I call myself getting gel polish, and I didn't know gel polish, you just can't take off like that. So, you know what? I'll throw on my sneakers. So yeah, and plus I don't wear these that much anyway. So yeah, y'all, that is my outfit of the day. And I have on a few jewelry pieces, my Pandora, my friendship bracelet I got from Sephora Baton Rouge during the Sephora event. So yeah, so now let's go ahead and hang out, and I will talk to y'all probably when I get in the car. So this here is the chicken one, and this here is the fried lobster. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat them. I'm testing out a new foundation, boy. I'm gonna get eating because my phone is like, can you see me bright? Can you see me bright? Because you dim.
Yeah, I'm inside.
And then I'll call you back because it's getting a little hot. But I ain't want to sit inside. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mmm. Chicken wings are delicious. It's Tim something, y'all, and it's good. So I'm going to eat, and I'll see y'all later. Mwah. morning. As you can see, I'm in a car with a black shirt on, so I am on my way to work. And I was thinking of going to meet my friend at Dick's Sporting Goods, or looking for one of them BOGO bags. I think that's how you pronounce it. But so if I do decide to go to Dick's when I get off, of course I'm gonna bring you all with me. Kind of do a vlog today. I did notice on YouTube they took down another one of my videos, so I am a little disappointed about that, but what can you do? This is my second video, so I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But a lot of makeup came out within the past few days. I know Fenty Beauty will probably already be out by now once this video go up. So let me know your thoughts on the Fenty hair. I was thinking of getting the edge control. Yeah, so getting. But yeah, you I'm about to grab my phone and get ready to walk into work. So I will talk to you later.
I was just like, okay.
What we going to go see inside of here, Sinclair?
Bog bags and on clouds.
Okay, we're going to go see bog bags and on clouds. Where the bog bag? I'm starting to like them cups too.
Them oval ones?
Yes.
That's the kind of one I need for nursing school. We can't have Stanleys.
This one is cute.
This one is cute. Ooh, friend.
Ooh, look at that yellow.
That's cute. This is cute too.
Purple. Oh, this is real cute.
Real cute. And they do.
Yeah, that
this
one. I
look cute with your bog bag.
This one is cute too. Oh, these Stanley too. Oh, look at. Oh yeah, you could tell Stanley has truly died down. Because when I used to come in here, they ain't had nothing. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, it's so cute.
Here we go. She
There we go.
cute.
I know, I like this color.
See, I like because I would put my
That'd be cute for work.
That's what I'm saying. Wasted. And I feel like I would get more use out of this one. So.
Oh, friend, we should buy one.
I think I want the little one first.
People like, why you buy that bag? Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
This is so cute.
And I like, look at the pink.
I'm gonna get the little one.
Me too.
I'm gonna treat myself.
Oh yeah, she cute. Do they have on clothes?
They only online?
Yeah.
Oh,
Those locations got like catalogs that have them.
Oh, okay.
Is she cute? Okay. Oh, I like that red Sin City against my cute nail. I like the 30. Damn, Stanley. They got a whole lot of Stanley.
That's what we were just talking about.
Yeah, I said they might not be that popular like they used to be because this is too much. This is right. I know that's what we saw because one time when I came here, it was none. It was no Stanleys here. I know that's right. She like I like my little Yeti. She cute.
This is cute.
They don't leak.
No, these don't leak.
No, cause they don't, like you said, they ain't got no prices.
No price check.
Now the fancies are still available in these that I like. This is the slim bottle, 20 ounce. So this would go cute inside of this here ball bag, and you don't have to worry about this here cup leak. Yeah, I'm trying a new Starbucks drink. It's a iced matcha with strawberry cold foam. So this is what I got. Try it. Cause I usually get it with the lavender, but I think that's seasonal. Stir it up some more. Can control the device from here, but I was trying to take this off to see if the mic would be better. Okay, I took that gray thing off, so let's see if we can if it's a lot better. but I do like the lavender better. I gotta pick up my daughter. Let's see what she says.
Wait, are you at the Starbucks that we always sit outside at? Are you gonna check me out or are you just gonna pick me up?
No, I'm not gonna check you out. I'm just gonna pick you up from the bus stop. Let's see if my son will answer because he says I bother him too much. Let's see. He's overseas, so I think he's 7 hours ahead of me. So 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 o'clock over there. I tell you, it has cooled down. Hence that I have on this here sweatshirt. I'm good, but if I get in the sun, I'm gonna be a little hot. I bought my computer to do some work, so I'm gonna do some work. And I'll see y'all in a little. Got on some cargo pants. Where did I get these? I think I got these from Shein, y'all. I got my Louis Vuitton bag on, my Pandora. Look how long my hair grew, y'all, from me cutting it. And I'm about to go to Sephora to grab this hair fragrance from Forever Mood. So, yeah.